Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about custom report in Playwright, how you can create your own report to track test result in a clear and professional way. Custom reporting helps you visualize pass and fail status. So let's begin. This is login test. First navigate to this URL, enter username and password and then click on login button. I will explain step by step how you can generate a report in Playwright. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search Playwright Reporter. Click on Reporters. This is introduction. Playwright test comes with a built-in reporters for different needs. And this is command for npx Playwright test reporter line. This is command for generating report. In Playwright, built-in option available for generating a report. Click on custom reporters. Custom reporters, you can create a custom reporter by implementing a class with some of the reporter methods. Now this is file name. You can create a new file. Just copy this code and first import type class my reporter, and this is for logging console.log starting with run with, and so it all test length. On begin test, it will print starting test with test title. On test end, finished test with test title. Now I will explain step by step how you can create this file. Open VS Code, just click on copy and open VS Code, right click here and create a new file. Enter file name reporter.ts and enter this code. Now understand about this code. First import type. This is class my reporter and implement reporter. On begin, it will print starting the run with test title. You can view here starting test. It will print in a log starting test with test dot title. On test end, it will print in a console finish test with test dot title. This is test case name. So we will run this test case. Now open playwright.config.ts. We need to mention this file name, which is reporter.ts. Here reporter section. In previous tutorial I have explained in a detail how you can generate a HTML report. You can watch this video. Enter here dot slash and then enter this file name, which is reporter, and then enter comma here and then enter comma here. After this bracket we need to enter comma. Now save this file and we can run the test. For running the test, click on view and then click on terminal. Enter command here mpx playwright test login underscore page dot spec dot ts, had it chromium. Run the test. As you can view here in a console, it print starting test. Navigate to this URL, enter username and password and then click on login. In console log, you can view here starting the test with one test. In this file total one test case, as you can view here, starting the run with total number of test case one test, and then running one test using one worker, and then print this one starting test starting test. As you can view here, mention a starting test and then test dot title. This title name is login with valid credentials. So it print starting test login with valid credentials and then print the status. At the end on test end, print finish test dot title with status, and the status is passed. Also, report has been generated successfully. We can view report login with valid credentials, and this all the steps before hooks, and then fill admin locator, enter username, enter password, and then click on login button, and then pause. Here we mention after clicking on this login button, await page dot pause. So that's how you can build and use custom reports in Playwright to make your test results more meaningful and easier to share. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to SQL World for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.